Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Loewe Klang S1 smart radio speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this radio is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing with your device, or if it's otherwise kind of not responding and not working properly, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, you're going to have to set everything up again because it will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings, and that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling it or giving it away or buying a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it was brand new in terms of the settings and configurations, we can go ahead and do that. It's a really simple thing to do. All we need to do is enter the menu, and then from the menu we're going to select System Settings. And then from Systems Settings, there is an option right there for Factory Reset. Once you click Factory Reset, then it's going to just ask you to confirm. You'll confirm with a yes, at which point it will be reset to its factory default settings.